How to repost a story on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Instagram application, and it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part here on your homepage. On the upper right, you'll see the messenger icon. Tap on that and tap on the conversation that you had with the person that you want to repost the story with here. Now, you have to make sure to repost the story is you have to be mentioned by them or tagged by them. Now, it will actually look like this. For example, this person mentioned you in their story, and then if you want to add that story, then on the bottom part, you will see add to your story here. Now, if you click on that, it will be added to your story. Now, let's say you are not actually tagged and you want to repost a story on Instagram. If you go back here to your homepage, for example, this one, you want to repost the story but you're not tagged here, then what you want to do is to take a screenshot of that. Let's just edit it. Let's just cut it here. And then tap on done. And then tap on save to photos. The next thing that you want to do is to create a story here. So let's just swipe it here. Now you are on your camera section, and on the bottom left you will see the gallery icon, and then choose the photo that you want to repost here and tap on your story here. Now if you click on your story, you have now successfully reposted the story on Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.